Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1966 MGB Roadster. Great restoration by an actual restoration shop up in Oregon. Finished in British Racing Green, Biscuit interior, 4-speed, and these heavy-duty, very nice wire wheels, painted wire wheels. So excellent restoration, both mechanically and cosmetically on this beauty. It also has a tan top and a matching tan tonneau cover. So really nice weather equipment, but excellent cosmetics all the way around. Fresh paint, fresh chrome throughout, new windshield, new rubber kit. Just a beautiful, beautifully restored MGB. This is a push-button door handle car, I believe, with the 5-main engine. So, you know, nice improvements on the Mark 1 model, but super desirable, fully restored Mark 1 MGB Roadster in this, in our #1 color scheme, which is British Racing Green on tan, or British Racing Green on Biscuit. Probably, arguably the best colors on a British sports car. So yeah, full restoration. They did bare metal paint throughout. You can see here all the chrome work's been replaced. Brand new triple heavy duty competition style 14-inch wire wheels with brand new knockoffs and tires fitted. New lenses, fresh chrome throughout. Just see how beautiful all this stuff is, just fitted to that show quality British Racing Green paintwork. Just a dazzling little car to look at. So really lovely car here. Brand new windshield fitted. It looks like the original aluminum frame, which is in great condition, but new lower rubber. You can see all the grille chrome here, the air intake grille, that's all been replaced. Let's just go around here slow. Beautiful early Mark 1 chrome grille with those aluminum vertical slats. Really handsome car. Let's move to the interior here. So this car has been completely trimmed in this lovely Biscuit interior, seats, carpets, panel kit. Dashboard has been completely restored. All new vinyl, the padded roll, new original style steering wheel. Excellent instruments, switches, all that stuff's been beautifully restored there, you can see. And then they carried the theme out through the trunk. If you look at the if you look at the still photos, this trunk's all been completely trimmed in matching carpet. Now, if you look at the still photos, you'll see there's all the receipts of the restoration. As you can see there was a photo album chronicling the whole restoration. So very detailed, very well recorded, full restoration on this one from a professional shop with oodles of money spent. Let's take a look at the engine bay. Under here we see a fully rebuilt engine with an upgraded Weber carburetor. All the ancillaries completely rebuilt, which is great to see. Clutch and brakes, wiring's in great shape. New oil cooler, new aluminum radiator, but nice unhit nose, no drama, no issues, no fit problems. But yeah, beautifully restored engine compartment, all stripped down, painted green, just like the body, just like it should be. Original aluminum hood. But yeah, there it is. Over here, here's the soft top frame and soft top. It also comes with, like I said, that matching tan tonneau cover. But yeah, if you're in the market for a wonderfully restored early Mark 1 MGB Roadster, this is our 1966 in British Racing Green, tan interior, matching tan top and tonneau cover, 4-speed, 48, I think there's 60 spoke heavy duty. They may even be 72 spoke, I'll have to count. But yeah, very nice set of extra wide heavy duty wire wheels, full mechanical and cosmetic restoration, documented with a photo album and receipts. And this one's for sale on our website. Super, super good colors on this. It's probably not going to last long. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.